Today, as you all know that Rahul ji and Mallikarjun Kharge Saab, they took up a major investigation on this vote chori. Initially, they took from Karnataka, from Mahadevpura. Now it has gone to Haryana, Bihar and different parts of the country. I am very happy that the AICC made a very big research team, worked very hard and found out the irregularities which was being done in the voter list and vote chori. I would like to thank and congratulate some of the media team who have done a personal investigation apart from what Rahul ji spoke. That is one of the biggest scandal in the history of Karnataka. We found out, and some of the bureaucrats also is being suspended on that issue. So a call was being given by our leader Rahul ji and Mallikarjun Kharge ji that this has to be informed to all the voters of this country. Now it has reached Maharashtra, it has reached Bihar, it has reached Haryana and all other different part of the state. Call was being given to have a signature campaign. I am very proud that the party cadres, the workers, the block presidents, the booth presidents and all the legislators, all of them joined together in their constituency. We have done more than 1 crore 21 lakhs signatures have been done and we are presenting them, all of them, to the AICC. We thought that today is the last day. But again, I think AICC has decided to have another big time. A massive gathering will be conducted in Delhi. Lots of signatures are coming from all over the country, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from east to west, north to south, and we are presenting. I may be a deputy CM, but I have come here as a party worker and a party president. It is my bound duty. My Chandrasekhar is there, my working president. Some of our DCC presidents are there. My campaigning committee chairman is there. All of us, AICC Secretary Mishra, entire our Dutt and his team, under the leadership of Surjewala ji, on the direction of Mr. Venugopal ji, we have been taking up this task and I was told that we are number one. But still some of the states may overcome us also. I welcome them. I want the other states to do better than us. That is what our request and prayers are there. So I think they all are working very hard. I would like to congratulate and thank all the workers of this country who are doing this great job to save the vote. One man, one vote. It should be there and the legality should be there. Looking at us, already the SIR has been announced. I would like to thank the court also gave a direction on this issue. But still, Rahul ji, about 10 days he travelled in Bihar, tried to educate them. But I know that still government and the election commission could not cooperate on that issue. But anyway, I don't try to take that forward. Today, my AICC office bearer secretaries are here who have been in charge of this collection. So I thought that I will come and present all these signatures we have collected. Every signature has telephone number and all the details of their booths which are there. The next stage is that we have already started this BLA2 because they will be responsible, which has been given by the Constitution. We know that the Constitution is being misused and whatever the autonomy has been given by the Constitution to these various institutions has been misused. So we are urging them, US justice, injustice should not be flown from the seat of justice. They are in the seat of power with justice, they should not misuse us. So we are trying to educate this entire country. So vote chori, I think, has been happened. I think better they should quit this office, whatever may be. Anyway, I hope good days are coming. We are very happy that the entire cadres of this country, all of us should be educated. We should do our job. Being a political party, major political party which has brought freedom, which has brought national anthem, which has brought a national flag, which has brought constitution. It is our bound duty to protect this country. So I hope that all of us, let us all join together, work together and see that every vote is being saved and democracy is saved. Just now I met Kharge Saab. I went to his house, informed him, gave him a letter, what is that we have done. Took his blessing, informed him because it is his home state. So he gave us an audience to us and he blessed us on this issue. We have done a good job. He congratulated us. So this message has go to the entire country. This is not only for us. Thank you.